Overview of the book Atomic Habits explains how small, consistent actions, called atomic habits, can lead to remarkable long-term results. James Clear's main idea is simple. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Instead of focusing on big dramatic changes, you should focus on improving your daily habits by just 1% every day. Over time, these tiny improvements compound into massive transformation, while small negative habits compound into failure. The core philosophy: 1% better. Every day, the book starts with the idea of compound growth. If you improve by 1% every day, the difference seems small at first, but over a year, the results become massive. The opposite is also true. Small declines in behavior can lead to major decline over time. Clear uses the analogy of an airplane adjusting its course by just a few degrees. A small change in direction can completely change the destination over thousands of kilometers. The habits versus goals. One of the key arguments in the book is the difference between goals and systems. Goals are the results you want to achieve. Systems are the processes that lead to those results. Most people focus only on goals, but Clear argues that goals are temporary. Once you achieve a goal, you stop growing. Systems, however, are ongoing and shape your identity and lifestyle. Example: instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," focus on becoming a person who eats healthy and exercises regularly. The 4 laws of behavior. Change Clear introduces a simple framework to build good habits and break bad ones. Every habit follows a loop. Cue to craving to response to reward. He then builds the 4 laws around this loop. 1. Make it obvious. Cue. To build a habit, you must first make the cue clear. Techniques. Use habit stacking. After I brush my teeth, I will meditate. Design your environment. Make good habits visible and bad habits invisible. Example: if you want to read more, leave your book on your pillow. 2. Make it attractive. Craving. The more attractive a habit is, the more likely you are to repeat it. Techniques. Temptation bundling. Pair something you need to do with something you want to do. Join a culture where your desired behavior is normal. Example: watching Netflix only while on the treadmill. 3. Make it easy. Response. The easier a habit is, the more likely it will happen. Techniques. Reduce friction. Prepare things in advance. Use the 2-minute rule. Start with a habit that takes less than 2 minutes. Example: instead of read 30 pages, start with read 1 page. The idea is that repetition matters more than perfection. 4. Make it satisfying. Reward. We repeat behaviors that feel rewarding. Techniques. Track your habits visually. Habit tracker. Give yourself immediate rewards. Never miss twice. Example: crossing off days on a calendar builds momentum. Wire identity-based habits. One of the most powerful ideas in the book is identity change. There are 3 layers of behavior change. 1. Outcomes, what you get. 2. Processes, what you do. 3. Identity, who you are. Clear argues that lasting change happens when you focus on identity first. Instead of, "I want to run a marathon," think, "I am a runner." Every habit is a vote for the type of person you want to become. Breaking bad habits. The same 4 laws can be reversed to break bad habits. Make it invisible. Remove cues. Make it unattractive. Reframe mindset. Make it difficult. Increase friction. Make it unsatisfying. Add consequences. Example: to reduce social media use, delete apps from home screen. Log out every time. Add screen time limits. The role of environment. Clear emphasizes that environment is more powerful than willpower. Most habits are not conscious decisions. They are triggered by surroundings. Instead of relying on motivation, design your environment to support your goals. Example: if you want to eat healthy, keep junk food out of your house entirely. Plateaus in the Valley of Disappointment. When forming habits, progress is often not visible at first. This period is called the Valley of Disappointment, where effort seems wasted. However, real change is happening beneath the surface. Like ice melting at 0 degrees Celsius, nothing seems to change until a tipping point is reached. Most people quit too early because they don't see immediate results. Habit tracking and feedback loops. Tracking habits helps reinforce behavior. It creates a visual cue of progress and keeps motivation alive. But clear warns, don't become obsessed with tracking instead of doing. The goal is consistency, not perfection. The conclusion, small habits, big results. The main message of Atomic Habits is that success is not the result of one massive action, but thousands